Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the CAS video update. And CAS, I do think that CAS is probably looking forward to push to the upside. And the reason why I say this is because I've been looking at CAS and what exactly CAS is doing, but I do like the idea that CAS actually made this little bit of a cup here, and probably this is a handle, and we might be looking for a move to the upside. Now, rule of thumb is actually that cup and handles, they're meant to be made in a downtrend. When you have a downtrend, you move up. But this seems to me like it's still a pattern. Now, a lot of people are going to say, yeah, it should be down, even though that's the rule of thumb. That's the better idea. Whenever a downtrend happens, you have a cup and handle or an inverse head and shoulder or an ascending triangle, it makes more sense. But in this case, we are treating the pattern itself as a pattern. It's still a cup here, it's still a handle right there. Now, regardless of whether you made it in an uptrend or whether you made it in a downtrend, I'm just going to entertain the pattern itself, because the pattern is like this with a technical target up here. Simple, right? If it makes any sense. So keep on coming here on the on the next things as well. We may see a double top right there, but this may not play out. Okay, once again, it's because when you zoom out, you have a cup and handle, and that's the reason why this does not look to me. I mean, if you zoom in there, one may say this is a double top. If you zoom out and you combine even more data, even more candles, you come up and end up with a cup and handle. So in this sense, I just don't see the double top being the favorite at the moment, but I do see the cup and handle be the favorite at the moment, and that's very good for you as well, right? You want to see CAS keep on moving on. I know that. I understand that. So I think that's probably what's going to happen. Since you don't like CAS to go down so badly, I think I'm just gonna have to push CAS to the upside. So the next thing is on the 4-hour time frame, and I do see this one pattern that CAS is breaking above. So you do have one resistance here, resistance there, but on the 1-hour time frame, it seems like we are breaking above here as well. So look at this, okay? One touch here, one touch there, one touch here, and you are looking to, if I zoom in right there, you're looking to actually pump, and you're looking to move to the upside. Now, I do believe that if things go right, you don't need to see CAS coming down to 0.046, okay? Because this is a whole pattern that is going to be destroyed. And one more thing is, I'm going to take the trend line as well, and I'm going to place this trend line from there to there, and you may see a squeeze happening. So it's basically a little bit of a triangle going on, and let's see if you can just pop to the upside and continue to move up. So this is going to be a technical target, in my opinion, from there to there, and you may be looking at CAS to probably come back up once again and hit this area, and that's going to be a move of nearly this is going to be like 9 to 8 to 10%, right? Let's say 10% round figure. So yeah, I do believe that maybe potentially we might be looking for something like this and take stop losses out there and then continue to move to the upside to that technical target of the cup and handle. And one more thing is that on the monthly, we also have invalidated one bearish candle. So previous month, do you remember the month of August, we had this one red candle, but in September, we ended up invalidating all this bearish pattern. This was a bearish harami candle. We push above it, and now we are trading at 0.084 once again. So yeah, on the monthly, it even does look a little bit better on the monthly time frame. So let's see if in October you may end up pushing up here and even maybe push up to that technical target. So that's it for this quick update on CAS. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.